Truman, in general, let's just get your overall take as you initiate on these names. Of course, lumber prices are higher, mortgage rates are going up. We always hear about supply constraints. Still, you're bullish on the group going forward? Tell us why.
Yeah, Courtney, thank you for that. Look, home prices are up double digits currently, even with lumber inflating. We think that that's more than enough to offset all the cost inflation going forward. We are bullish on the group. We have an overweight rating on the sector right now. Really, this is based on a multi-year outlook. We think that housing starts in the next 5 years by about 2025. We'll hit about 1.8 to 2 million housing starts. To put that into perspective, we only did about 1.4 million last year in 2020. So we think there's a multi-year runway of, call it, mid to high single digit demand growth going forward over the next, we'll call it, 5 years.
And so you think that we can do that many housing starts when it doesn't seem to be we have that many available lots, or do we?
Right.
Am I not understanding the supply constraints?
Right. So this is more of a near-term phenomenon rather than a long-term phenomenon. If you look back to early 2020 during the onset of the pandemic, a lot of these builders stopped acquiring land, they stopped developing land, they stopped getting it approved through the municipal process. So right now there's a temporary deficiency of lots that we think is going to be fixed by the end of 2021 and 2022. If you speak with any private or public builder out there, they are bringing on a very large amount of land going forward. And if you think about it, the builders right now, they still have 5+ years worth of land. It's all about being able to get it vertically developed and push through the municipality process. So COVID really caused some issues that's really playing out in 2021. But as we go forward in 2022 and beyond, we think a lot of that is going to get solved. Now, another item that we have to solve is the labor pool as well, right? We've seen constraints at various points earlier this cycle where we don't have enough labor to build the homes. What we believe is that labor pool issue really solves itself on two different items. One, we have a new administration that seems to be taking a bit of an easier stance on immigration. So that hopefully will loosen the labor pool over the next 3-4 years. And then on top of it, we have the multifamily sector and the non-residential sector that, quite frankly, aren't very healthy. And what we've seen at prior points this cycle, when those sectors start to roll over, the labor pool is very transient, and it makes its way to the single family market. So we're a little bit more bullish than maybe some are.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.